How's it going, Will? You're on camera.
It's going good.
Cool, man.
Burning the last of the firewood.
Yeah.
It all small.
Put your hand up in between those trees where your firewood level was last night.
Oh, it was up to here.
Yeah.
It was about 4 hours worth.
Yeah.
Good stack. Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all are burning pretty hot too. What's up?
Yeah, hey, what's going on, Mike?
Chilling.
Yeah. How'd you do last night?
Did great.
Yeah?
Slept like the dead.
Yeah? Stay warm?
Oh yeah. My feet are cold now, but
yeah.
Shit happens.
That's cool.
I mean, stuff happens.
It's alright. I'll take an egg.
Hayes for horses.
I'm coming. Apparently we're going to go get some eggs. Didn't get too cold last night. Got down to, I don't know, mid-20s, high 20s.
Couple more minutes to climb it.
I'm coming right now, man. I'm taking a video.
I'm about to eat it.
This is the shelter that the other 5 of us stayed in last night. Longhouse, super shelter, whatever you want to call it. It's got a wood stove in there. Takes about, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes to set it up, but it's pretty much completely enclosed. And hey, Jake, how you doing, sir?
Howdy.
Hey, how's it going? I'll come around the other side. Got these doors sewn on here, where you can tie them closed. We cut lots of firewood yesterday, but we upgraded the stove recently with a dampener. And then I took a welder's apron and cut a square out of it and sewed it into the tarp with a 6-inch hole in it. And got the stovepipe going through that. This is where the magic happens. Can you just set it on a plate or something?
Oh, he did for you.
Jesus.
Eggs.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Hey.
Hey,
how's it going, Mike?
Hey.
You doing all right?
I'm doing great.
This is one of the guys that did not sleep in this shelter last night.
No.
He stayed warm, though, right?
And that sexy tent over there.
Yeah.
That's right.
What's your bag rated to?
Negative 15.
Yeah, so yeah, you're fine. Yeah.
What's it rated to? Negative 15. For this food? Yeah. It's nice.
Now the camera won't pick this up, but the smell in here, it's phenomenal. Oh! Got some cooking going on here. Mmm.
Some good shit there. Ah, sorry.
It's okay. It's not as bad as some of the other words that were coming out of our mouths earlier.
What might be that?
I'm not going to repeat it right now, buddy.
Me neither.
Editing's hard to do. Oh. What you got going there, Kalen?
Biking.
Let's see it.
That's something
Yeah.
I'm going to bump your head.
Oh, yeah. Says the Kool-Aid man.
Oh, yeah. I'm the bacon man. Oh.
How's it going, Brandon?
Pretty good.
Trying to shake as much as possible.
Oh.
Got any of that homemade bread left?
Yeah, it's good.
Look at that. Homemade bread. I know you guys are jealous.
Jealous.
It's probably about 60 degrees in here. Probably about 30 outside. That's where the stovepipe goes up through. And it burns a little bit, but hey, it's a lot better than how we used to do it.
But more bacon. That's cool.
Bacon. Okay. All right. So,
time to grow. This is.
You guys got anything?
This is Danny Stolberg signing out.
Yeah. You guys got anything else you want to talk about? No. Everybody have a good time last night?
Excellent. Well, besides when we rode over.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a great time. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Awesome.
Did you get a picture of the creek there?
Not yet.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
You good to eat some eggs?
No, buddy, I'm good.
Hey, Danny.
Hey, Will.
Hey, Will. Hi.
How's it going, buddy?
Hi.
Make them as me.
I was trying to get the camera to pick up how much heat's coming off of that, but It's not really picking it up.
What are you doing, buddy?
Trying to scare you.
Why don't you come over here and cook some of this shit?
Get back in the kitchen.
Get back in the kitchen.